What's happening, YouTube? Just figured I would do riding with Jeremy, what's in my pockets, kind of like a scab video. So first of all, what Mr. Matt gave me, camper, SKS camper. This thing has lived in my pocket since day one, literally. Now that we're in the truck, figured I would show what's in the truck. What's in the door handle is the big old basher, a Schrade 37. This was my first birthday present in recovery from wifey. Came with a little sharpening stone and fire steel. It stays in the truck with me. Same with my basher. What else do I got in here? Oh, and one that stays in the truck 24/7 is my Wounded Warrior Victorinox that Mr. Scab gifted me. Stays in the box because it's a beaut, but the Wounded Warrior project, of course it's backwards because I'm shooting self-evelt. But yeah, that's all my little door things, and anything that has a screw in it has a Phillips, which is attached to the, I can't remember which one this, I think this is the, it says it's the Tinker, but I don't think it is. I think the box lies. I think this is, I can't remember what this one's called. Scab, hook me up with the info. What is this one? Or Mr. Electro. What knife is this, please? I don't know if it's the Tinker. I don't think it is anyway. But yeah, just heading to the store to get some groceries for dinner. Gonna do some BLTs, homemade BLTs for wifey and me. And gotta get some gas too, because the truck is telling me put some fuel in me. But yeah, as you can hear, oh, gotta love our truck. Anywho, stay safe, stay blessed, and well, we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.